Hey you guys, so today I'm going to show you how to cast on. So I'm using the yarn Bee yarn True Colors in the color white. It's acrylic. They suggest to use 9mm needles or 10mm needles, but actually I'm going to use 11mm needles today because I'm just showing you how to cast on. So what I'm going to do is take a nice piece of yarn and I'm going to take the short piece, and this is the longer piece connected to the yarn. I'm going to take my two fingers and wrap the yarn around, and the shorter piece, I'm going to pull it, and this is how you make a slip knot. And then I'm going to take my needle and pull the shorter piece, and then, so this technically is the first stitch. Then I'm going to take my 4 fingers and my thumb, the outer part of my thumb, wrap the yarn around. So it's on the long piece. So I'm going to take my long piece with my 4 fingers and wrap it around and put it under my thumb. Sorry. Let me redo that because I'm trying to watch the camera too. So I'm gonna take my 4 fingers, my thumb, wrap it around, under, and pull the long piece. So now I have 2 stitches. I'm gonna take the long piece and take my thumb, wrap it around, go under my thumb, pull the long tail. And now I've casted on 3 stitches. So again, we take the long piece and our 4 fingers, and our thumb, wrap it around, put it through, and pull the long tail. So now we have casted on 4 stitches. So again, 4 fingers around the thumb, through the loop, pull the long tail, and you just keep doing that until you have as many stitches casted on that you would like.